Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. It's me Priscilla Benjamin. Today I'm sharing healthy Dal Makhani recipe. It's full of protein and you can enjoy this dish with rice or chapati. So let's get started and check out the recipe.
First, in a bowl, add 1 cup of black urad dal and 1/3 cup of rajma. Wash and soak overnight. Next, in a pressure cooker, pour enough water, add salt, mix it. Then add soaked black urad dal and rajma. Close the lid and cook it for 4 whistles. Now it's cooked well. Smash it a little, then keep it aside. Next, in a mixie jar, add 1 tomato and grind it. Now our tomato puree is ready. Let us keep it aside. Next, in a kadai, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once it heats up, add 1 chopped onion and saute it till it becomes transparent. Add salt, now add half teaspoon of garlic ginger paste and saute. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can adjust the spice level according to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for nice color. Mix it well till the raw smell goes. Now add tomato puree and mix it. Add little water and close and cook it for 5 minutes. Once the water has evaporated, then add cooked dal. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and give it a quick mix. Close and cook it for another 10 minutes. Once it thickens, then turn off the flame. Add salt if needed. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi, coriander leaf and butter. Then close and keep it for 5 minutes. Then decorate with fresh cream. There you go. Tasty and healthy dal makhani is ready to serve. If you like this video, then like, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then consider to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.